It's a new 2019 Ford Super Duty F-250 single rear wheel. You always give a little extra effort. It's what separates you from everyone else. You deserve a truck that matches that philosophy, and you've found it right here. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, integrated navigation system, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, metallic paint, firm suspension, rear parking sensors, and turbo V8 engine. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.